Hello and welcome to the Visionless Designs YouTube channel. So in this one, I figured I'd show off my candle holders that I've got here. These are the Rustic log ring candle holders. I've got the different variants here, along with each of the different scents. So where are we? On this side, I've got the limited ones I'm doing. These are stained green. They'll be good for Halloween, which is obviously coming up. And then we've got all the different sizes here. Well, that's a single, that's another single. There we go, there's a double one there. And then we've got so these are all the short ones. They're 32 millimeters in height. And then got the double height ones here. That one's offset slightly. And then we've got a double one there. That has a double height one that's got two candles in as well. They all come with candles in. You just need to select which scent you want. Okay, I'm going to rack my brain on this now. It's unscented, ocean breeze, fresh cotton, rose petal, red fruit, lavender, vanilla, and I think that's it. There's 7 different ones. They'll be linked, shown on the website and the Etsy page. So these have all been sanded smooth and are finished with Danish oil, so they can be used both indoors and outdoors, as long as it's not raining, obviously. So yeah, obviously with candles, please be careful. Make sure to put them in a safe place and don't leave them unattended when you've lit them. But other than that, yeah, please check out the website, visionlessdesigns.com, where you'll find links to the products and as well as Etsy, Facebook and Instagram. Links are also in the description below, and I hope to see you in future videos.